Hello nationwide. Now I finished na my breakfast. Thank you Lord for my breakfast. Thank you for the food. Thank you for my good health. But this today, I'm mad little bit. Not little bit. Just mad. Okay. I can control sometimes in my behavior, in my attitude, that I get mad. Especially here in the house. Nako. But that's life. I forgot that I'm a housemaid. I'm a housemaid also. So must to be adjust. Always to be adjust. But you cannot say that 100% you are a perfect housemaid. But I can do my best. I'm doing my best only. Especially in my work. Because I really hate a person that they are very lazy. They have a behavior or attitude that they are lazy. I don't like it. Because for me, time so good. Time so good. Even I'm using my, like this one now. I'm looking at my video. I'm working. At least I'm working. I'm not sitting down and watch that only. I'm talking with the cell phone, di ba? Ay, nako. Kinayela, Messi. Maybe na naman over. Para it's not silent, but it's not silent here inside in the kitchen. If I'm alone here in the unit of my madam, I make sounds, Christian sounds or Arabian sounds. Arabian sounds is a Christian. It's like Wallahu Akbar, but that the sounds, the music, that's what I on the TV while I'm working. But now, if there is somebody here inside in the house, I can't make on the TV and to hear the music while I'm working. So now only I try. Because I got mad nga, that's why I'm talking with the cell phone. I make video. At least I'm not sitting down, I'm washing the dishes. And I finish my breakfast. Everything. To do the best that I can, but not only me. That's why I'm not alone. That's why sometimes I got to not mistake. Bad trip, kumbaga pa. Oh, mga Pilipino, mahilig pa naman talaga kayo magre-react. Balik pa naman natin yung reaction. Baka mamaya sabihin na naman ninyo, pakialamira or sabihin ninyo ano pang hilabot. This one is just a comment. It's just a discussion. I'm just telling to the cell phone. I'm just telling to the social media. That's what I feel. Okay? Don't be stressed. Don't be high blood. Kung sa bagay, kasi nationwide, worldwide, magkaiba, we are different, we are not the same, we are different, so that's all. Different behavior, different attitude, different thinking, different in everything. Nag-discussion na si Grace. Ay, naku Grace. Talking alone na si Grace. I'm only talking alone. Okay na, yala. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you that you support my small YouTube channel. And thank you are spending time to watch my video. Here that I'm working in Baghdad as a housemaid. So thank you very much. And I wish, I'm only asking favor from you. If you are watching my television naman, watching my videos, please subscribe me. Look, my video, I'm eating patata with egg. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you nationwide and worldwide. Yun na yan. Lahat, including na yan. Sa mga side, mga kaparentihan, mga amo, mga employer, mga family both side, mga pamilya, Pinas. Oh. Sabotage na yan. Kasi ang hirap naman, if one by one, parang magro-roll call na tayo sa school, one by one. Okay? I make my hair good. Ay, naku, ganito talaga ang buhay. That's the life of FW. Not all in the same situation. The important that we're still alive. Good health yun. Ang importante ang good health. Good work. Okay? Yala, bye-bye again. Bye. Don't be mad. Like me. Okay? Ay, naku buhay. Attitude talaga sometimes. Not in a good. Yela na, bye-bye.